the Quran, nowhere in the Quran does it say that you have to celebrate the birthday of the Prophet. There is no authentic hadith. The companions of the Prophet, the Sahaba, they never celebrated the birthday of the Prophet. Celebrating the birthday is a Western culture. It is not part of Islam. The companions of the Prophet, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, and Allah be pleased with them all, they never celebrated the birthday. So this is an innovation. It's a bidah. It's an innovation. Any other question?
No, sir, that's all.
So you should not celebrate the birthday of the Prophet. You should love the Prophet and follow his advice, not celebrate his birthday.
Okay.
And you should be a Muslim, not belong to any sect.
Okay.
Now would you like to say it in Arabic?
Yes, I do.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.